Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever wanted to run Delta Executor directly on your PC without switching to your phone every time? In 2025, one of the smoothest and safest ways to do that is by the right installer. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Delta Executor on your PC with a safe install method, no shady links, no unnecessary risk, and 100% safe when followed exactly as I show you here. Okay, let's get started. Now, here's something important. If you ever see a so-called Delta Executor installer for Windows, that's not real. It's almost always a scam or loaded with malware. The official Delta Executor isn't made for direct PC installation. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you the safe way to run Delta on Windows by installing it inside an Android emulator. This way, you get all the functionality of Delta Executor without risking your PC. We'll use LD Player 9, which is one of the fastest and most stable emulators out there, especially for Roblox. I'll walk you step by step through downloading LD Player from the official website, setting it up for smooth performance. For installing Roblox, I highly recommend using LD Player with Android 9 version. Android 9 uses fewer resources compared to the latest Android versions, making the emulator run lighter, smoother, and more stable, especially when playing Roblox with Delta Executor. Download and install LD Player 9 on your PC. Then run the installer to download LD Player 9 source. While we're waiting for LD Player to finish downloading its resources, which is about 700 megabytes, let's prepare and download the Delta Executor APK for this emulator. Go to the Apple JR website. Don't worry, this site is safe and only has a few ads. If you see any new pop-up windows while you're on the site, just close them. Those are only ads and not part of the download process. Once you're there, open the Cert tab, and then download the Delta Executor Android APK to get the latest version of Delta for your emulator. Once the Delta Executor APK has finished downloading, make sure that LD Player 9 has also fully installed its resources. When that's done, launch the emulator so we can start setting everything up. After LD Player has launched and the Android emulator screen appears, wait a few moments because the emulator will download some additional resources in the background. Once that's done, we'll move on to installing the Delta Executor APK inside LD Player. On the right side of the LD Player window, click the APK installer button. Then, select the Delta Executor APK file you downloaded earlier. LD Player will automatically start installing Delta Executor for you. Once the installation is complete, launch Roblox with Delta Executor just like you would open any normal app, and wait for the loading process to finish. Now, you can either log into your existing account or create a new account to test it out. After that, choose the server you want and see the results. As you can see here, I've successfully installed Delta Executor on my PC running smoothly and without lag. One more thing, LD Player 9 lets you customize your own settings depending on your PC's specs. For example, if you have a low-spec PC, you can lower the resolution and allocate less RAM to keep things stable. If you have a stronger PC, you can increase CPU cores, RAM, and resolution for better graphics quality. You can also adjust the frame rate and performance mode to match your gameplay needs. You can also enable the FPS counter to monitor game performance. Just go to the settings and turn on Show FPSA. And that's it! You've now seen how to safely install and run Delta Executor on your PC using LD Player 9. By using the Android 9 version of the emulator, you get lighter resource usage, smoother performance, and more stability for Roblox. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!